it's me Jen, and so today I'm going to show you kind of the process of me moving into my dorm room. Basically the way my room is set up is we have a kitchen, a bathroom, and then we have a living room that's like obviously right off the kitchen. It's like literally just like a little hall kind of, and then we have the bathroom, and then we all have singles. So there's 4 of us living and we have singles. And as you'll see in the video, I'm gonna move into my dorm and I'm gonna just show you kind of like how the living space is, how you should fill up your living space, organize certain things, and just kind of show you around and show you how we're gonna live, and maybe that'll help you in the future when you move into a dorm very similar. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Yep.